How to change cell color if checkbox is checked in Google Sheet. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and you can see I have some data with title. Okay. So first select the cell where you want to put the checklist checkbox. Okay. So I want to just insert the beside of this data. So just select this cell, go to the insert, go to the checkbox. The checkbox has been inserted. Now you want to apply a rest of data, then select that cell with checkbox and just click on this dot and hold it and drag it, so it will be applied to the rest of data. Now just select the all data with data and checkbox, go to the format and go to the conditional formatting, and here this is a range where we have selected, which is C to C6. Okay, D6, C2 to D6. Okay, so this is all selection range we have just selected. Okay, now go to the formula rules, just click on this okay, and here you need to select custom formula. You need to select custom formalize. Okay, now uncheck all this, check only one. Now use the formula, like start with the equal sign, put the dollar sign, and if 1. Okay, okay, D2. Okay, we need to select D2. We have checked this one, so we need to select D2. Okay, if we have this data in another cell, that accordingly you have to select this. So we have data checkbox in D2, so we need to enter D2 after this dollar sign. Okay, now from here you can change the color like this, and done. Now once you click checkbox, then color will be changed accordingly you have selected. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.